What's up, YouTube? This is your boy G back on another video, and today is an interesting day. I do have quite different video right now. I just actually received this package today, actually yesterday. It's from Dbrand. Okay, I ordered this more than a month ago. Let's see, March 15. Look at that, March 15, and it finally arrived straight from Canada more than a month because of the COVID pandemic issue. But let's go ahead and open it up. I'm really excited to check it out because this is actually a vinyl or a sticker, a vinyl sticker for the phone for S20 Ultra, as well as a sticker cover for the Galaxy Buds Plus. So I'm gonna show you right now how it looks like when you open that package from a Dbrand, if you're gonna order one straight from Canada from their website, and how to actually apply it as well. Now, I'm very excited on this because when I ordered this in Dbrand, I actually put a simple note there to tell them put something, for me, for our channel, Glenn Thoughts. So I'm super excited to see if they did put anything. I know Dbrand is some kind of a cool company, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right. Okay, let's see. Look at the pattern here. It's very interesting. I don't know what are this robots, right? I think. Yeah, they look like robots. Dbrand is basically advertising robots. Is that Dark Sid? I don't know. It looks cool though, but yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, it's just some information on my address. Okay, nothing fancy out there. It's very thin. It's just like a little envelope. Let's go ahead and check the actual content of this. Let's set this aside first. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, okay. Nothing else inside. Let's do that. All right, so I've basically ordered a couple of products. Again, sticker for the back of the S20 Ultra. So go ahead and remove my SpyGen case first so we can put it there. If you notice, I'm actually using a SpyGen already, but I'm gonna put a Dbrand still because I don't want this back to be messed up. I want it to be still brand new after years and years, even though it's not that fancy, the back of the S20 Ultra. But yeah, check out my Sephiroth, by the way, Final Fantasy VII Remake, and of course, inside is our childhood crush. All right, okay. Well, let's go ahead and check the Dbrand again here. It basically included two cloths. I think this is just to wipe it out, and a couple of stickers here. All right. So this pattern I'm already seeing, this is for our Galaxy Buds Plus. Now again, if you notice, my Galaxy Buds already has this silicone one that I purchased from Lazada, but we're gonna remove that and put that instead. All right, so this is for the Galaxy Buds Plus. Oh, what's that? Let me come back to that. All right, that's exciting. I'm gonna check that out. I've seen some. What is that? A dog on it? Let's see first. Okay, so Dbrand. It's not a product. It's a culture. All right, pretty cool. All right, so this is the cutout. I did not order the camera cover, although it's kind of good in perspective that you will protect the lens because this one is pretty huge and susceptible to scratches or something. But I like that. I like the looks of that, and I know where I'm gonna replace that with a sticker or something. But yeah, this is the S20, and it has this very cool plastic material on it. I like it. All right, let's check it out real quick here. All right, I really like this plastic packaging. It's very sturdy. I'm gonna use this somewhere else, like put a card, like a grade school card or something. All right, so if you notice, uh, purchased, delivered, installed. There's only one correct way to do it: dbrand.com/how. All right, so I'm gonna visit that and check it out. But right now, this is what you get into the envelope, and you only have one of this. So if you messed it up, you don't have anything else. You just have to remove it and reapply it. All right. Now, if you notice, I've ordered this black swarm here. I actually missed the opportunity to order their better one, which is the what do you call that? The the one with collaboration with Jerry Rig. The what do you call that? Tear down. Okay, so it's actually tear down from Dbrand. I kind of missed that because after I ordered, that's the only time that I saw it. So I missed that opportunity, but I will probably just order that again in the future. It's pretty cool, and as far as I know, they're the only one who do that right now. But if you're into something weird, then you go ahead and order the tear down instead. It's just about $2 expensive, I think. $2 or $3 more expensive than this one. This is just around $9, by the way. Okay, now this is for the Galaxy Plus or Galaxy Buds Plus, and if you notice again, I've seen something here. It's outside. Okay, it's just a stamp. I thought it's just something built in. Okay, let's. Okay. This is for Glenn Thoughts. Take that pigeon case off your S20 Ultra and slap a Dbrand skin. Robot 191. And that is a poop. Holy smokes. So that is that a handwritten by a ball pen? I think it is. Yeah, it is. You know, if you notice, it's not something like a photocopy or something. They actually had a time to write it down in a post stamp like this and paste it in a product. I think it's pretty cool. Dbrand, if you're listening, if you're watching, thank you so much for this. It's a very small thing, but it's already big for me, you know, because I think I rarely, if not, I haven't really seen a product, for me at least, that is dedicated like this, written by, handwritten by a ball pen or something, and straight from Canada. So, yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Dbrand. Okay, so Dbrand, it's not a product culture. Let's check it out. This is the one for the Galaxy Buds Plus. All right. So this is for the main case itself, and it looks like there is something for the buds themselves. So look at that. Looks very difficult to install. I'm just probably gonna install that later on myself. I don't want to waste your time on that, but for now, I'm going to put the cell phone itself, the S20 Ultra, so you would see how to put it in. All right. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and apply it. Let's get one of the cloth here first. Make sure that the back of our case is clean. All right. Ooh, okay. All right. So I got two of the cleaning cloth here because of the one for the S20 Ultra. So like it, I do have a lot of cleaning cloth like this already for other stuff as well. Pretty cool, but yeah, okay. So that's shiny enough, right? Yeah, cool enough. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and start putting it in. Okay, so if you notice, again, this has no camera on it, but it's just one. But there's also some cutout here. This is for the buttons for the power and the volume rocker. So it means that the side actually bends a little bit better than others. You know, it's not like a straight back sticker only. It will bend a little bit on the side as well. So I'm going to install this starting from the camera. All right, so that's where we're going at first. Okay. All right, so I don't know if this is 3M, but it's super sticky. Let's go ahead and check it out here. Again, I'm gonna begin with the camera. Right, I wanted to make sure that the top portion is really aligned with that camera. This one's a little bit funny here, so just make sure that it's still aligned here. No gap or whatsoever, because most of the time it will have a gap on it, and that's the main problem. But yeah, looking pretty solid there. Looks easy though, but I can see already that it's not up to the end there. You probably have to stretch it a bit. It you know, it looks like a rubberized piece of material, so you'll have to stretch it a bit. But yeah, I just actually drop it and it looks good already. Okay, so let's try the first one first, right? I just want to see it drop in there. So if you notice, all right, okay, it's actually perfect already on the bottom. On the bottom, it's not going crazy. It's just up to the line, all right? On the bottom, it's pretty fine. It's not gonna go beyond. On the sides, it's gonna go a little bit on the curves, and on the top, there's a little bit crease here. That's what I'm talking about earlier. I need to stretch it a little bit here. Hopefully you can get it. Okay, that looks good. It's on the side. This one is funny because it's really thin beside the camera, so they're gonna be messed up if they're not aligned. All right. Okay, so it's now here. Now, I purchased a skin like this before on a local store, a really cheap one, and they don't really curve on the side. It's actually pretty cool because you don't have the problem of curving. So I'm interested to see how Dbrand manages this curve, because curve is not something easy to work with. Well, let's see. Oh, okay. Pretty cool, I say. Yeah, pretty easy. That's okay. That's easy. I mean, probably I just got lucky on that. If you notice, it looks perfect. Yeah, yeah, right. Okay. Well, let's try the other side and let's see if we have the same luck there. Okay, just put it like this, like what I did on the other side. And let's see if I'm gonna be lucky. And it looks like I did. Not on this one, not so much, but I can work it out. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Looks good. Yeah. That's surprisingly easy. As a matter of fact, I haven't really put the bottom here first. Just go ahead and press it, and look at that. Yeah, looks good. Yeah, probably some, couple of millimeters short, but it looks neat. Look at the side. Look how straight that is. Yeah, their cutting looks good. No? Okay. Yeah, I like it. Okay. I hope it's really sticky. Right now, the corners, the edges, are a little bit sticking out, but hopefully, as the time goes by, they will dry out and really stick it out. By the way, I'm gonna use my cover nonetheless. So definitely they will stick out. But yeah, look at that. Looks fine, right? Looks awesome. Looks awesome. Um, yeah, looks good. As a matter of fact, I like it. It's pretty simple. As a matter of fact, it's like I don't want to put any case in this anymore. Dbrand looks cool, and the cutout is pretty sweet. Look at that camera. The one that I purchased before, like a cheap one on Lazada or in Facebook, actually. The cutout for the camera is pretty huge. So my Galaxy S10 Plus that time is white on the back. So when I put it in, you can see the white color on the back of the camera. But in this one, I cannot see the gray one, right? Maybe a little bit of silver, but that's already the material of the camera. The silver itself is pretty sweet. Yeah, perfect cutout. All right. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Just short unboxing and application of a Dbrand for S20 Ultra. Again, this is the Black Swarm. If you want a fancy one, Dbrand also offers the Jerry Rig collaboration design, which is the tear down. They have a glossy back and a matte back for that. So just go ahead and check it out. And it's just probably around, I think, $12. And this one is $10. So it's very close. All right. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Click the like button if you like this video. Comment down below, what are your thoughts on the Dbrand? Do you dig the design? Do you think it's cool? It's worth the price? So go ahead and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. I review a lot of Netflix show and some products like this if I have. So just go ahead and subscribe. But for now, thanks so much for watching and see you on the next one. Peace.